All right, so I just got a package fresh out the mailbox, and what these are the best upgrade you can do to your car, best cosmetic upgrade you can do. So these are actually puddle lights. I put these on multiple cars, put on my own Mercedes, I put on a few Audis, Maseratis, and they look absolutely amazing. So puddle lights, courtesy lights, shadow lights, so what are they? These are pretty much just 3D projectors that shine the logo of your car onto the ground. So it could be Audi, Nissan, Mercedes, Infiniti, whatever you want, you can shine it on the ground. You can shine your own business logo or pretty much anything you want. But these right here are for the Audi S4, my S4, which is sitting right here. And what these will do is just shine the S4 logo onto the ground. Now these make a very good gift for people with cars. These are super cheap. These are about 30 bucks. They used to be like way less on Amazon, but they took them off. I used to get like 4 for like 20 bucks or 15 bucks sometimes. Now they go off in prices. And they're pretty hard to find as well. I got these on eBay, link in the description, but these just replace your OEM lights that go at the bottom of your door. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So pretty much the lights when you open up the door right here. The light that's down here at the bottom of your door, this just shines a white light onto the ground at night. And what you do is just pop that right out and replace it with the shadow light, and you will have a projector light showing at the ground. So it comes in the packages for these projector lights right here. These just replace the OEM lights. So first thing you want to do is just take these wires and literally just plug these into the light. So these just slide in right here. There it goes. Slide the other one in. So you have it set up just like that. And then this prong right here literally plugs into the wire in the car, which I'll show you right now. So what you want to do here is take a flathead and find the part with a groove, which is the part closest to the inside of the door. Literally just take a flathead, pops right on out just like that. And be careful, these do get pretty hot. The newer ones are LEDs. These should be like some type of light bulb. And simply just take these. They literally just kind of pull up like that. These literally just lift up with your nail and it'll slide the whole light right on out. So lift up and then push on down just like this. So with your new light, simply take those 2 prongs right there. These will slide right into the slot right here. And you can't really see too much, but the light is on. And one thing I forgot to note is that you don't need these connectors if the connection point is the exact same as the original unit. So instead of plugging these in, all you have to do is just slide this directly into the white cable here, and it'll work the exact same. Tuck it right on in. And just like that. So to actually rotate the light, there's a little notch right here inside the unit. You can turn this left or push it left or right, and that will rotate the light bulb. Now you can't rotate it 360, I don't believe, but you can rotate it enough to adjust it to the proper angle so that it matches or aligns with the door. But if it's completely backwards, just switch the light around to the other side and you should be good to go. All right, here's a quick glance of how it looks at night. Super bright, super clear. Now this is on not a flat style of concrete or gravel pretty much, so it's not like the smoothest image, but on regular concrete that's flat, it's gonna look 10 times smoother. But it's super bright, all 4 doors. If you guys want to check these out, link in the description below. eBay for about 29 bucks, I believe. And yeah, it took about all of 5 minutes to install all 4 doors, so super easy to install, super quick. Thanks for watching.